Page 34, hiking on a new path. Just a lot of quarter notes going crazy. That's all. No big deal. If you've been doing this little thing, yeah, this just part of it's just different notes. But the feeling is the same. So I'll look it over. It's a page long, treble bass clef, 4/4 time signature. I see quarter notes and half notes. So the hands are playing one hand at a time. I'll take them together. You're starting with the left hand on G. And again, I'm assuming you know the names of all the notes in the music, because if you don't, you really need to go back, just go back and start again. Either you're going too far too fast, or you're not getting everything learned you need to learn in order to move forward. So don't be in a hurry. It doesn't work. Take your time and learn it. The names of the notes in the music. That is a G. That puts the hand here. For the first line, now when the right hand comes in, it's going to be in major 9 here. So we're here to start. You're going to move around a little bit. That's okay. Just quarter notes. Every other. You got that chord is all. Then at the end of the first line, there's 2-beat rest. You come up here. Do it again up here. Okay. Then measure 9, third line. The right hand gets to go. Yay. Same pattern. And then the last line, you get an 8VA above the staff, so you come up here and do it again. That's really all we're doing. Okay. That's the piece. You're just playing this pattern here, 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 here. Okay. Now, once I got the notes and rhythms figured out, I'll go through and make sure there's no hesitations. And then I add the articulation where here you're connecting it. And you have to lift up for the rests. So the phrasing is built in for you. And then we add the dynamics. Moderately loud. You have to let the wrist collapse a little bit. Don't tense up now. You're just moderately heavy. And then soft. And then moderately loud. And soft. Light. Yeah, so much for the dynamics. As far as the speed goes, that's up to you. Hiking, how fast are you going to hike? I don't know. Now there is a note at the bottom, an RIT. Above it they tell you you're getting tired. That's not what RIT means. RIT is short for retardando, and it means to gradually slow down. So however, you're just slowing down at the end. This is the last line. You just slow down, like slowly coming into a stop, except you don't necessarily stop. You just slow down gradually. How much you slow down, again, it's feel. It's part of interpreting the music. Don't slow down a whole lot. Because then it just drags. So you feel it. You just slow down a little bit. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm exaggerating it so you can hear it, but you will feel them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you play this, your fingers should not have to fly around. You don't have to raise your finger to lower it. Your finger is right there. You're just lowering the weight down on that finger. I'm here. I'm going to transfer weight to this finger. The finger's on the key. I'm just transferring weight to it. Stay in contact with the keys. See if you can do that. That takes practice. That takes practice to let the wrist collapse a little bit and stay relaxed and do all this junk at the same time. It takes practice. It takes time. So don't think, oh, this is easy. Look at this. Because you're missing out on the technique part of it. Keeping the hands down. Don't go where you're flapping your fingers around. No. Keep your fingers on the keys. Stay relaxed and let the weight push the notes down. Just transfer weight from finger to finger. You're walking on the piano. Even if the fingers aren't next to each other, it doesn't matter. You're still doing it. I can transfer away from any finger to any finger very quickly. It's easy to do once you get the hang of it. But most things are easy to do once you get the hang of them, I guess. Never mind. Now, there is a note at the bottom to do staccato, where you're flexing here. If you want, you can do that. I don't care. The half notes, you can hold those out if you want, or you can play them staccato if you want. I don't care. If you play them staccato, they're going to sound like quarter notes. Let's play this together slowly, just to check you got everything okay. I'm not doing the dynamics. We're not performing it. Just slowly together. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.